Hello developers, today's video is quite exciting. In this video, we are going to see how we can save any Flutter widget as an image. So without further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I have created this UI research Flutter project, and here inside this material app, I have this home page, and here on the home page, this is a stateful widget. And inside the state of this home page, this is the unit 8 list that will be the image file, and this variable is the screenshot controller. So for that you need to add the package that is the screenshot. So for that you can go on pub.dev and add this package screenshot. So you can just copy and paste it on pubspec.yaml, and you can use the latest version whatever is available at the time of your development. So once that is done, you will be able to get this screenshot controller. So define this screenshot controller here inside the state of this home page, and we will see this capture function later. So inside the build method in the UI, we have this scaffold, and inside the single child scroll view, this is the column, and inside the column, this is the screenshot widget. So for saving any widget as an image, there are a couple of ways. If you want to explore all the way, you can go through this package documentation, and you can read, like you can capture widget that are not in the widget tree, you can capture widget that are in the widget tree, you can capture a list of widgets. So all these things you can read from the documentation. So I'm going to just demo few of the things. So for the full feature of this package, you can read the documentation. So this is the screenshot widget that we can use to capture the widget as an image. So first let me comment it out so that you can understand better. So you need to use this screenshot widget, screenshot, and controller will be the controller that we declared here, screenshot controller. And inside the child, you can place any widget, and that child widget will be captured. So first let me show you with this simple text widget, text I am widget. Okay, so that's it. Like now we have this I am widget text, and this text we will capture. So this is the elevated button that is displaying here. So here inside the on press, I am using this capture widget function, and here after that button, if the image file is not null, then I am showing the image from memory. I mean basically that is the file that we capture using the screenshot package, this image file. So what happens once we will press save as image? So right now we are not saving it, so let's call it capture. So first we will see the capture method. So to capture any widget, first step was to declare the controller and a unit list for storing the captured file, and second step was to use the screenshot widget that I used here, screenshot, and attach the controller in that widget. So anything inside this screenshot child will be captured as an image. And the next step is to capture the widget using function or using any callback. So inside the capture widget, we are using the controller dot capture method, and then it will return an image that will be basically a unit 8 list, and we are updating the state with the image file equal to image that is coming from the capture method, and some error handling, and we are using this capture widget method on this button press. And once that is captured and image file is not more null, then we are showing the captured image here below this button. So let's test the simplest widget. So I'm going to click on this capture widget, and you can see now this image, I mean it is a small text only, but because this is an image, it is taking the entire area. So this is just a capturing. So now let me show you by taking a complex widget example. So instead of using this simple widget, I have created this little complex widget. So here basically inside screenshot widget, I have this card as a child, and in this card this is the Flutter logo and this is the text where it is written I love Flutter. So now let's try capturing this. Okay, you can see now the complete widget is captured and we can see as an image here. So similarly we can capture any network image or URL that is coming like this. We need to remove const from here and let's comment it out for now. Okay, so image is loading, I think. Yes, so this image is loaded. Now let's capture it. Okay, so once it is captured, you can see we have also captured this image widget. So similarly you can capture any widget you want. So this was the capturing of the widget and displaying in the same application. So till now we were capturing the widget that were inside the widget tree, like in this case we have this widget structure, widget tree, and here we are using the screenshot widget. But you can also capture widgets that are not inside any widget tree. So for example, I mean let's comment it out, this screenshot completely, and right now we don't have any screenshot widget in this widget tree, but still we can capture a custom widget. So here is the capture invisible widget function. So for this again we are using this screenshot controller, and this time we are using capture from widget method. Earlier it was the just capture method, but this time it is capture from widget, and then we need to declare the we need to define the widget that we want to capture. So here you can customize any of the widget that you want to capture, and also till right now it is not a part of any widget tree. And once that is captured, like earlier, we are updating the state with image file equal to captured image. So now instead of the capture widget inside this button, let's try the capture invisible widget. Let me hot restart so that this image is gone. Okay, so now you can see there is no widget other than this button on this screen. But here you can see for the invisible widget I have created this text, your beautiful invisible widget. So now let me capture it. So you can see now it is coming as an image here, your beautiful invisible widget. So now we have also seen how we can capture invisible widget or the widget that is not inside the widget tree. And finally let's see how we can save the captured widget to the file manager or to the device. So for that let me use the earlier widget here, screenshot controller, and we will show this Flutter logo with I love Flutter, and we will save this widget, this complete column Flutter logo and this text widget as a single image in the file manager. So for that we have this third function, that is the capture and save widget. But for this you need the path provider package, because this time we are interacting with the path and storage. So you can add this path provider package in your pubspec.yaml file, and once it is added, make sure to restart your app, because sometimes if you will add this package it will not directly work. So after adding this and running Flutter pubget, make sure to stop and restart your app. So this is the capture and save widget function, and here again we are using the same screenshot controller dot capture then image and updating the state, but this time we are also calling this save image function and we are passing this image file. So where is the save image? This is the save image function. This is taking a Unity list for saving the image, and that is basically this image file that we are capturing here. Not here, here, yes. So let's import the package, that is the path provider that we just added, and here we are getting the directory, git downloads directory. In this case we are defining here a unique file name and expanding this .png so that it can be treated as an image, and file is equal to file. For this we need to import the .io, and it will be basically directory.path and / file name, and then we are calling this file.write as bytes and using this image bytes that we have provided. And once that is saved, we are displaying this message, image saved to path. Okay, so now let's test this function. So let me hot restart, and this time it would be better to call it capture and save. Okay, so click on this capture and save, and okay, I mean we are not calling the right function here on to rest, so instead of capture in visual widget, call the capture and save widget. Hot restart again. Okay, so let's click on capture and save. As you can see, now we can see this captured image here, and also we can see this message here, image saved to storage this path. So to verify that, we can open the file manager in the device in the emulator, and we can go on this Android folder, data, and look for your package name. In my case it is com.example.ui research, and inside files, inside downloads, you can see this image is saved. So this was a Flutter widget that we saved as an image. So this is how you can easily save any Flutter widget as an image, and it was also not complex. I mean you can easily use it following these steps, and if you have any doubts or anything you want to understand or clarify that I missed, you can write down in the comment. I would love to explain that. So thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe.